guys. Easy lip, front lip, going on the front. But first, do a cold start for you guys. Just because. Press that thing twice. Oh my god. Now if you can't tell, it has this like gunfire pop to it when it starts up. And it sounds so freaking good. So glad I got this. Just for you guys. But first I gotta clean this front lip. And you just take it off and stick it on there. And let's see how this goes. Alright, just wiped off down there, cleaned it off, dried it. Now, let's see how this works. See how well this goes. Hopefully I don't mess it up, which I don't think I will. Let's try it. Damn it. So I'm assuming you can put it as far into there as you want. So, like that maybe. Alright, here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. Yo, that looks so much better. Look at that. So just go ahead and clean this up. Damn, I like that. Whew. Come on, focus. Yeah. And I like it because it's simple and not expensive as hell. Like those other ones. So the whole reason I got this is because I wanted something really subtle. Something that wasn't gonna look like it was something that, like, you know, people get the one that sticks out a lot, like a whole lot. I wanted something that wasn't gonna stick out like a shit ton, because I didn't really like the ones that have the splitter that goes way out here and then it has the rods that come in here. I didn't like that because I want something that sort of looks like it's from the factory, and that looks like it's from the factory or something. So that's the reason why I got this, and it's cheap. It's only like $30 something. I had a friend tell me he didn't like his, but you know, whatever. If something happens to it, I just buy another one, and it's very flexible, so it's not gonna like immediately break off or something. So look at that, man. That looks amazing. Oh, I like that so much. You stick a little bit more, but that is amazing.